friends, happy 2018. This is going to be a short video, nothing related to car work today, but today I have a challenge for you. I am 60 subscribers short of making my personal year in 2017 target, so I decided to turn that 60 deficit into a possible $60 profit for you. All you have to do is guess my current mileage. So the first person to guess my current mileage and comment it below will get a $60 gift certificate to Amazon. Now, if no one guesses the right number, I will take the person who's the closest to the mileage, and I will announce the winner by Thursday, January 5th, 2018. To make it easy for you, I drove it from Wisconsin to New Jersey back in August, and I was at 8,000 miles when I was in Wisconsin. So ever since then, I also drove it to Virginia International Raceway, where I spent a couple of days at the track, and I came back up. I drove it upstate a bunch of times, and I took it snowboarding last weekend. So what mileage am I currently sitting at as of January 1st, 2018? You must be a subscriber to win the prize, and you have to comment below so everyone sees your answer. While I have your attention, I also wanted to thank every single one of you for watching my videos and helping me support my passion. I don't do this to get famous or to make money or anything like that. I do this to share my love and passion for cars with those who care. And it seems like a lot of you do care, so I really appreciate it. At the same time, if there are things that you would like me to change or talk about or anything like that, any constructive criticism, comments, whatever, feel free to just put them down below or send me a message, and I'll be sure to respond to every single one of them and hopefully continue to grow my channel. So without any further ado, once again, happy 2018 and good luck guessing the number. We'll be in touch either as soon as someone guesses the number or at the very least by Friday, January 5th. Thanks again. Bye.